Hey everyone, this is Craig Schottelhammer from OraPub. You know, there's a lot of people today that believe that manually tuning SQL statements is just a thing of the past. Of course, those people are not production Oracle DBAs, because as real Oracle DBAs, we know that you can't always depend on the optimizer. You can't always depend on SQL tuning tools, no matter how good they may be. And so you got to ask yourself, well, how am I going to tune these really long-running, really nasty, big-time SQL statements? Well, if there's anyone that stands out in my mind as a true SQL tuning guru, it's going to be Mr. Dan Tao. Dan is the author of a couple books, and they both start with simply SQL tuning. So I asked Dan if he'd come and do a webinar for us. I first met Dan years ago when I worked for Oracle. He came in and taught my group how to tune SQL, how to set it up. And people say, well, why is it so great? Why is it so special? And my answer is real simple. I say, number one, it works. Number two, it makes sense. And number three is that you don't have to repeatedly go through the trial and error of tuning SQL statements. The method sets it up so it just works. So that's enough about the webinar for me. I hope you can join both Dan and myself on Wednesday, June 28th for what I know is going to be an amazing webinar. See you then.